Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to calculate the number that you need for your financial independence, retire early. You can use this great fire calculator. So let's say that you are 35 years and then that you have 30,000 to start with your investments and you spend a little bit less than this every month, every year. Sorry, this is per year, and that your income is a little higher than this, so you're doing great. And then that your income is growing 3% a year, and that you are thinking about the hustle, so you're thinking about having 10,000 more a year coming from this, and you're going to start when you're 36 and you're going to do it until you're 56. Then when you retire, you're going to have like a similar spending, and that your stocks are going to perform, that's too much, a little bit better than this, and that you want to have a little bit more here of stocks. Let's say like this. So this means that you can retire with this calculation when you are 46 years old. Of course, you can play, you can invent numbers, you can increase your income, you can say that you're going to spend less, and when you retire as well, going for a minimalistic life. Perfect. So the only thing that this doesn't include, it is your mortgage, and then the loan, it is included in your spending. So that's something that I don't like about the calculator, but as a starting point to know where you want to go and get the whole picture is a great tool.